So in this video, we're going to be talking about how big American states really are. And we're going to be using the same website I used in another one of my videos. The website is called The True Size Of. Here's the video in case you were wondering what it was. Okay, so if you haven't watched the video, then just make sure to watch it. But basically what this website is, it shows the true size of countries. For example, let's go with Indonesia. You can see that it's not actually that small. It's actually the width of Africa. It goes from Portugal to Iran. It's huge. But I've realized that we can actually do states on this. And I've heard a lot of people say that Americans don't really travel that much. Well, in my opinion, I think it's because their states are absolutely massive. And I'm going to show you what I mean. Like, Texas looks pretty small, but here. See, we've got Texas. Let's drag it over to France. Look at how big that is. The reason why they don't travel a lot, or people say they don't travel a lot, is because, like, look at how big Texas is. It stretches from the north of Poland to the south of Romania. And then let's go with an even bigger state, Alaska, the largest one. Look at that. It's covering a big portion of China. Almost the size of India, and compared to France and Britain, it is absolutely massive. What about California? We're gonna do California. Okay, so we've got California here. If we drag it down, now here, so you can see it goes from Spain to Algeria. It's bigger than Finland. Yeah, let's compare it to Sweden. Okay, so it is, how many kilometers is this? Okay, 423,000. Now Sweden. Sweden's also 423,000. California is the same size as Sweden. Like, imagine having a Sweden-sized country, a Sweden-sized state in your country. And same thing really applies to Australia. Like, they have 6 states. Like, look how big the WA is. Hold on, West. Look how big Western Australia is. Wait, let me do states. Let me do. Okay, it does not let me do states for Australia, but still, it is absolutely massive. We're gonna do a couple more. Florida, which, fun fact, used to be a part of Spain, but it was annexed by America in the Spanish-American War. Let's see. Okay, almost the size of Portugal. And then we can see, like, it too is almost the size of Finland. Now we've got, what should we do? Wyoming? Yeah, Wyoming. I mentioned it in another one of my videos, which I will put on the screen for you to see. Okay, yeah, so make sure to check out that video as well. Now, what about Utah? Which I also mentioned in that video. Okay, bigger than Puerto Rico. Let's move this out of the way. We can see that covers a good chunk of Germany. And yeah, so American states are just absolutely huge. Does it let me do Canadian states? No, it does not. Okay, but yeah, that's what this video is about. American states are absolutely massive, bigger than countries. Like, imagine having a Sweden-sized state in your country. You would not need to travel that much, because it would be like traveling to another country, and there are so many different cultures and diverse, not really diverse, but there's so many different foods and cultures that are spread out between all of those states. So it's basically like a country in a country. Not an actual country in a country like the Vatican or San Marino. But yeah, that's what the video is about. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe.